Hey, it's Matt with McGee Farms, and I'm in our garden. It is March, and gonna start trying to get it ready for the springtime. I got a couple trips out of town, so I'm gonna try to get a jump start on a lot of this. A few things that I am gonna need to do though is we got a lot of vines that kind of grew up here. I'm gonna have to get them off of here, which I got a way I'm gonna do that, but also the wood that I used when I built this was treated wood, and it's been about 2 years. So now the treatment's kind of starting to wear off to where I either need to paint it or do something to weatherproof it. And I'm gonna do that as well today. And I've got something new that I just picked up off of Temu right here that we're gonna do it with. So stick around and let's open this up. So this is a multi-use torch, because you can use it for lighting wood, lighting a barbecue, or just to sear meat, which, I mean, I guess you could. But I've used these for a couple of different things. Not this particular one, but I've used torches like this. If I can pull it out of here one-handed. And check that out. You use a propane tank or some kind of a tank you hook up down here, and gives you a nice little torch. I'm going to throw this tank on here, and we're going to start searing some of this wood, which, I mean, that's the old way a lot of people used to do with wood, is you just kind of char the outside of it, and it waterproofs it. It weatherproofs it, makes it where it lasts forever. But also I think I'm going to use it for getting all of this off, and gonna start cleaning up the garden because it's been through a winter. It looks kind of rough right now. It's time to start getting things ready for spring. I can't wait. So let me hook this up and we're gonna start using it. Okay, so we turn this knob here. Do you hear gas come out? You got a little, you hit the trigger. And then, like I said, another use I was going to do is using it for charring the wood I've got on here. Now this wood's pretty dry, so I've got a hose nearby, and I'm just going to let it char a little bit. Nothing too crazy. So that's kind of a start. I'm going to do a little bit at a time, kind of go over everything on it, but just a little at a time, because I don't want it to catch on fire. I don't want it to burn. I just want it to kind of char the outside. And that's going to give it a waterproof barrier. It's going to protect it from, the sun, pretty much anything that kind of rots the wood. And really the bottom, I probably should have done this when I first built it. I didn't have a cool torch like this, or I probably would have. But any future ones that I build, I'm definitely going to do the bottom, because that keeps the moisture out and helps protect them. But just wanted to share that with you. And of course, my new little toy here really isn't necessary. I could have just pulled those down by hand, but hey, when you get a flamethrower, you gotta have the flamethrower, right? You gotta play with it. So it's Matt from McGee Farms. If you enjoy the videos, please consider giving us a thumbs up or subscribing to the channel. It's much appreciated, and it helps the channel grow. Till next time, have a great day.